Today is a bit of a different video because I am preparing for a 2-week trip. It's part work, part holiday, and it's in 2 different countries with 2 very different types of weather. So I'm first going to Singapore for work, and the weather is obviously tropical there. It's going to be very warm and humid outside, and I will be spending time outdoors but also indoors for work meetings. And indoors it can be a bit tricky, there can be too much aircon, but it can also be kind of pleasant, so I need to prepare for that, this kind of like in between. And then after that I'm going to South Korea, which normally at this time of year is cold. It's like in the UK, it's low digits. However, it seems like in a week's time when I'm going, it's going to be 14 degrees, which is very confusing because I had planned to just take my normal winter wardrobe. And it seems like it's going to be a mix of late winter spring, so that's going to be very, very interesting. Let's see how I'm going to do that. I'm taking with me my big luggage. Today is spent packing, finishing editing. Last night I went to the supermarket to grab a few things for the flight, or just for the downtime in the trip, just to have anything to eat handy. I kind of always leave my packing last minute. I have to say it always happens the day before, amongst many other things, so it's always a busy day. And tomorrow morning I need to be up at 5 because my flight is early in the morning. So yeah, I'm trying to get as much as I can done today, so at least I can sleep a little bit tonight and get some rest, because I'm also working on the flight. Talking about that, on the flight I will be wearing my new M&M travel set. I'm very excited about that. I'm really excited to try it on and see how it fares during this 13-hour flight. And then my flight to Korea is a night flight as well, so I've packed something comfortable to sleep into. My return flight from Korea to Singapore is a day flight, so I'll probably just be wearing the same thing as I'm wearing during the day. It's late afternoon, and then finally the return from Singapore to London, I will be wearing the same thing as the outbound, so my M&M travel set. Luckily I have quite a generous luggage allowance, so I can really pack almost everything I need, and I don't really have to restrict myself. However, I don't want to take all my wardrobe because that makes no sense. There will be things that I'm going to rewear, especially when it comes to indoor meetings outfits in Singapore, and then I can just repurpose that into outdoors outfits in Korea. I'm quite minimalistic when it comes to jewelry, and it's the same when I travel, so I just take a little box like this one where I can put some earrings, rings, and then the bigger earrings in this little pouch there. I'm not taking much, and I will be wearing my current rings tomorrow on the flight, along with my usual gold hoops. So that's it for jewelry. This is the perfume that I have been wearing for the past year, especially in winter and autumn, and I have just finished it. So that's it, I can't take it with me. So instead, I will take Ilio, which is also a perfume from Diptyque. It's very fresh, so for Singapore it's going to be great. If in Korea the weather is also quite spring-like, it will work very nicely as it's a very fresh scent. I'm going to take 2 bags. I'm going to take this one, especially for Seoul, I think, because it's more of a city break. And I really like this black bag because it fits a water bottle, and there will be enough space for all the rest as well. I'm taking this handbag as well to go around in Singapore. It has a nice city summer vibe. Really love this bag because it's structured as well, so it's so easy to put everything inside, and it has that little pouch to keep everything in place. Super good, this bag. It cost me something like £16 when I was in Malaysia in 2023. Absolutely love it. And it goes with so many things because the color scheme is super easy as well. It's quite neutral, so it goes with so many things. this time trying to be organized. I'm charging all my devices so that I don't have to do it when I arrive. Generally, that's what happens with me. But this time I'm trying to be a bit more prepared. Some last minute things I'm thinking of packing as well. I think I will visit the gym, but in case I stay in the room because I get shy, I'm just going to take my elastic bands, and I already have workout outfits in my suitcase, so that's good. I also need to pack my camera and its cables. I mean, I do have a list on my phone which I follow, so that's good. I can tick as I go along, but yeah, it feels like sometimes it just feels endless. Right, I'm nearly done, but I mean nearly in a to-do list that's kind of like endless. I'm not nearly done, I still have quite a lot to do. Anyway, everything is fine. I still need to pack my underwear, socks, my toiletries. I haven't gone through that because I usually tend to wait until the last minute, because I still use things the night before or in the morning, so that will go last in my suitcase. I've decided to take a trench coat because I'm really unsure about the temperatures in Seoul, and I think my coat might just be too warm. So I'm gonna go and pack my Clyde trench coat from Cezanne because it's lightweight, but I can layer up underneath if needed. I also need to prepare my in-flight bag because I'm going to be working, so I need to have my laptop, chargers, etc, everything. iPad is charging as well at the moment. So yeah, I mean, honestly, traveling requires so much preparation. Or maybe it's just me, I take too many things, but at the same time, I feel like I need all these things. Well, I hope this was interesting, if not entertaining, at least. Yeah, absolutely not a master at packing, really not. Especially when I know I have quite a generous allowance. I will definitely take more than I need. But you know what? It is what it is. Good morning from Singapore. I landed about 2 hours ago and I've just arrived at my hotel, which is absolutely amazing. I love this hotel. It's so beautiful and peaceful. I just love all this wooden garden vibes that it has. Oh my god. First time I came here was in 2022 and I'm so happy to be back. My room has an amazing view on Marina Bay. I checked in quite early, it was not even 8 AM, so the sun was rising. Such a beautiful light in the room. Oh, I'm really peaceful right now. I did not sleep at all on the plane. So I have no idea in which time zone I am right now, or when the day started, when it ended, no idea. But right now, it's 8:27 AM in Singapore. I'm not exactly sure what to do. I think I need to sleep, even though it might just make me a bit more jet lagged than I am already. But yeah, I feel like it's gonna be too long of a day otherwise. So yeah, I think I might have a couple of hours sleep just to reset a little bit. And then probably going to meet a friend, go around. Also, definitely in the shower after this long plane ride. Might go cycling. It's an activity that's with the hotel later on in the afternoon, depending on the weather. And then after that, we have a work dinner. So, followed by a drink at the Atlas Bar, which is one of the most iconic bars in Singapore. So very much looking forward to that. All right, well, I'm going to have a sleep. Bye, see you later. I've just had my shower and I feel so much better, like brand new person. It's just crazy when you spend like 12 plus hours on a flight and then yeah, you just have no idea what time it is, and yeah, you forget when was your last shower as well. Anyway, I feel so much better. I did a really nice facial massage as well, and before the shower I did a good yoga stretch session. It was so nice. Anyway, this is going to be my outfit for now. I'm going to meet my friend for lunch. It's a simple top from Missoni and the Daya shorts from Cezanne. They're not super high-end, but it will be fine. And I'm just gonna put on my white trainers to walk around. The hotel is organizing a food tour for us in Chinatown this morning, so I'm wearing something very light and breezy, a vest from M&M and shorts from a Vietnamese brand called Rue des Chats, my white trainers and my canvas bag. This is my outfit for tonight. It's a set, a shirt and trousers from Rue des Chats. It's my first time wearing it after I bought it last year. I'm very excited. The rest of my trip is a work conference, which I haven't documented. So I will leave you with these images of Singapore, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!